Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we're out in the shop again today and we are taking a look at this 2025 Skidoo Grand Touring, working on getting it outfitted for the coming season. We talked about earlier in the videos on this machine about the Linq system that you can see right here, the wording for that. This is the system on the back of this particular Skidoo that allows you to put all sorts of different accessories on the back, such as gas cans or packs or different things like that. In our particular case, we are going to be putting this trunk on. So the trunk's very easy to use, very simple. It's a nice storage box. I would say you could put your backpack in there plus some other stuff, some tools, lots of options and things that are available. But we're going to take a look real quick here as to how easy that is to put on. So picking the trunk up here and setting it on the machine, first thing we're going to do is grab this release right here, pull it out, grab this release right here, and pull it out. Over on the other side here, you can see there's a gap right here in the back, behind there and there. I'll see if I can capture this on video. All you have to do simply is slide both those in. They lock in place right there. And then back around over here on the other side. You can see everything's dropped in right there. Snap down, turn the buckle, and turn the buckle. And that trunk is attached. So taking a look inside here, lots of space. It's got a nice waterproof seal on the lid. We've used this all last season on the other machine and it worked great. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. And remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.